So, yeah, hair all over the place. Today is cleanup day. Well, wash day, I should call it. I got two toys. My favorite is obviously that one. So, I had to clean it up. Before I go over cleaning it up, let's talk about some things that I do not absolutely like about this bike. I want to say absolutely, but let's get into it. So, I think I cleaned this probably 1 day ago, and as you see, I got bugs all over the bike, windshield. And I got some little couple of marks right here. I don't know if you guys was last seen the bike that I take the back off, but I just got done riding it, so let me close this door. I got footage of me riding it too. My GoPro died on my way back, so I went to Menards and to Dollar General. But yeah, it's hot. Also, that's another thing that I thought, this area right here gets real freaking hot. I mean, I could deal with it. It's on the expressway. It's like, wow. I actually don't know what I did with the keys. So, go find those. Might be in my motorcycle jacket. There they go. So, also, I did try to change the fender illuminator, which is this right here, but I actually got the wrong part. So, let me show you guys. I'm actually getting close to my first service. So, let's see what Ducati says. Also, I think I'm changing the name too. See, I got 250 miles to my oil service, so which is coming up pretty fast. So yeah, let me turn this off before the battery start acting crazy. So, hey, what was I finna say? I got a lot of little mods coming. I want to go ahead and do it, but oh, that was another thing. So let me get into that. So, before getting this bike, I was told not to get it. That was one of the things I most hated. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah. I know exactly what I was going to tell you guys. Okay, so let me get into the first thing one of the things that I hated about getting this bike. Everybody told me not to get this bike. They said Ducati's a track bike, yada, yada, yada. And honestly, I haven't got to my first service yet, but this is probably one of my most enjoyable purchases. I done bought a lot of things. This is my first motorcycle. I will keep you guys updated on the bill of the first service and everything. But yeah, I was leaning towards the R6. And then I went and test drove this thing. I didn't even test drive the R6. And I was sold when I drove this. First crotch rocket. And what really made me want it even more was the demand for, I was trying to get a white one. The demand for the R6 was, it was up there. Me and my buddy went up there, but in track, I was talking about this. They say track bike, maintenance. Go get what you want. Because at the end of the day, you gonna pay for it, and that's about it. I mean, I love it. Besides those little things, but that's not even. That wasn't even that. This is pretty much a clickbait video. I ain't gonna even lie. Um, I enjoyed it. Like, I haven't got my first service, but I will let you guys know. But when I was talking to the guy at the dealership before I bought it, before I even test drove it, he was telling me like, yeah, you get oil changes every year. And he's like, I think he said 3,000 miles or something like that. I can't remember the exact number, but it was in the thousands. And I don't lie, I might get this thing up to 1,000 miles before the end of this year. But hey, it's fun, man. I enjoy driving it. It's like I said, like if it goes left, I still got my other baby. So I was like, also, I'm changing the name of the bike. So I'm not gonna call it a Ducati. My mom called it a Ducati yesterday, so I'm gonna change the C to a G, and we gonna go with Ducati. So, I think that's what I'm leaning towards. I'm gonna call it. So, make it my own. I gotta add my YouTube on the side of the bike. Like I don't know, probably right here. And my Instagram, if you guys don't know my Instagram, it's f.damo. And yeah. And also, I gotta hold the camera weird today because I lost my stabilizer or whatever that little stick that you hold. Yeah, so today I guess I'm finna clean the toys. I'm ready to. My buddy wanted to go to the Six Flags today. Hey, you text me back. Oh shit. Damn. I gotta call him. Let me get off camera real quick. So I can't wait to finish doing mods. Don't know what I want to do next exactly. Well, we're gonna start off with the fender eliminator. I got that coming again since the original one that I tried to put on this weekend did not work out. Quick tips. If you get this bike, quick tips. If you get this bike and you see that fender eliminator, the NRC on RevZilla, I will say this, the plugs on this bike for the turning signals are different than the 939. So if you do get anything for the fender eliminator, I suggest making sure it's a 950 because the turn signals plugs are different. Figured that out the hard way this weekend when I was trying to put on an older fender eliminator from a 939. And it didn't work out, so I just sent that one back and ordered the new one from NRC. So I'm waiting to get that in, but